Got him.
That didn't work out at all. What was that garbage?
In a month, this guy will be getting shot.
Oh yeah. Is that one? That's Corbin's job. Yeah, but we'll let you get soaked. I mean, hold on. Oh, he's right here, dude. Corbin, I'll scare him out of your way. Oh, he's going for it.
Oh, dang it. Get him, grab him, grab him.
Oh. Oh, they're coming! They're coming!
Some Gillen, hurry, some Gillen.
I got it! Oh! Steve! Come on, Steve!
Grab him! Steve, get on him!
You hold this.
Get on him!
Braden's going in, boys.
Let's go see what he has to say. I'm coming. Oh.
Get him down below, get him down below. Okay, breathe.
Here, go. You go in front of me.
Okay,
Go. Well, obviously. He literally already went under. What the heck, Branson?
I can't breathe. They're too dang fast. Okay. What's up, guys? Today we're fishing on the river. You can stop the video now.
Round 2.
Come on, come get him, Brayden, push him to me. Brayden, push him to me. Woo. Push him to me, Caleb.
See where they at? Oh, they're there.
Wait a minute, what is this? Bro.
Dude, no, they're right away.
Part of a plate.
Is that a
No, I did, Branson. I can't believe you figured it out. Oh my gosh, it's too far down now.
Here, Brandon, here's the shirt.
Dude, I feel like freaking D
Yeah.
Almighty and jigging with Jordan, all them guys.
You still filming?
Hello everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. I know it's pretty early. I'm already in here telling you guys about the same stuff. But yeah, so the reason I'm making this so early is because I know that most of you guys are here. I got a bunch of new subscribers, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the short video about the Googan baits or whatever, about the rattling chunk or whatever. Yeah, so those things I love. Like the only like one of the main brand fishing bait company I use is Googan, and I'm gonna tell you right now, that is my least favorite lure that they make. I'm sorry, comment. I mean, I fished with it all day at the pond, didn't catch nothing at all. Then I broke off finally after about 3 hours worth of fishing. We put on a regular rattling Ned, and then caught like 4 fish on it. So I was like, this thing rattling chunk thing just freaking sucks. I don't know what it is about it. But then in this video where we went on the river, I fished all day with it on there. Fished all day with it on there, didn't catch nothing on there. Then I even put it on a thing clickbait, put it on the back of a clickbait, and then didn't catch anything on that. I mean, so I mean that may not have nothing to do with it. Maybe they just don't like clickbait, but I mean, I just don't like it. Okay, that's it. And I'm not gonna be making a video on it. Okay, I'm sorry to tell you guys it, but now you guys should stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing more Googan bait reviews or whatnot. Okay, because I'm waiting for the Googan Dart to come back. I got those things on rollback. I've already got those things ordered whenever they do come out. So I got this thing on pre-order, so stay tuned for that. I will be making a review on that stuff right there. But yeah, and also stay tuned to the end of the dang video. I know this is a very long video. It's super duper duper long, but funniest part of the entire videos are at the very end. Oh my gosh, I'm so good at talking on camera. But yeah, here's a little sneak peek at the next video. Don't worry about that. That's all you get to see about it. But the next video will have something to do with this right here, and you'll know whenever that next video comes out what it's about. But all I can give you a hint right now is if you follow me on Instagram, then you would know, but I really don't. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned, stay positive, and see you guys in the next video, I guess. Keep watching, the best parts at the end. Really? I think I'm gonna get him. I'm fishing, mate. I killed a freaking cobra yesterday. I'm giving some next snakes. What's a green snake? They're sick. Yeah, I'll grab him. I'm coming. Go, let me get him for the video, for the gram. Let me grab him. I got him right here. Let me see, I grab him. Oh, buddy, how you doing, buddy? Hey, little buddy, how you doing, man?
Don't let him go.
He ain't tried to yet. This little guy right here, boys.
Is he on GoPro?
Got a GoPro on, mate.
Oh yeah, bud. Let me see him. But I don't have strength on him.
This little guy. He could 100% bite you, but I'm sure it wouldn't hurt that thing,
Nah,
Dad.
it won't, he's too small to bite you.
Let's use him as bait. No, I'm just kidding.
We're gonna take him to Austin. Oh wait, Austin ain't here. Let's keep him until we get to Austin.
Here, let me put him in my pants. No, I'm just kidding. A snake!
Go right here.
I caught one! Oh my gosh!
Wait up, dude. Let me poke some holes in this bottle and we'll put him in it.
Put him around my neck right here, bud. Don't you worry.
Alright, yeah, do that for that now. Let me get this bottle open up. Is it a water snake, you think? Oh,
No, it's a green snake, dude. I ain't seen one of these in so dang long, dude.
Me too. I mean, the last time we got here, we killed him. We caught one. Do it. Hurry up, my girlfriend's gonna get pissed because I'm not texting her. You hit the bottom?
That's good.
You hit the bottom?
Swim, dude. The current's moving me off.
Yeah. Let's go, hit him! Whoa!
What's up, bud? How you doing?
I guess good. I'm a little mad because I'm fish finding another one.
You have that. I'm on 29%. I ain't got no fish catches on video.
Oh,
I got the ducks.
well, wait,
and the one thing.
batteries for that thing?
Yeah, I got one extra.
Yeah, you got one.
Well, that's the bad thing about my Hero 7. I can't flip out the batteries.
Muñaño.
What the heck is this guy talking about? We'll bleep it out.
Yeah,
we'll bleep it out.
Hey, Corbin, I'll cancel you before you're even famous.
Yeah, you figure. Oh gosh, here we go.
Bring it out here, bud.
Grab his thing. What's up? Okay then.
I pulled him up here.
I don't know what Dad's talking about. A little cold. Come on in, boys. Come on. Who's next? Oh gosh, it's kind of deep right here, but I gotta be honest. Get in, someone next. Who's next? Not really. It's just deep. It's just freaking deep.
Is Caleb have to wear his life jacket?
Yes.
Yeah, Caleb, put your life jacket on.
You're too short not to wear one. Let's go.
I was gonna tell him
Who's
he
next?
had it
Send
on.
it. Dude, he's tweaking. What is he wearing? What is he doing? Come on, Bobby. Let's go over here. Oh gosh, here we go. I'm getting over here. Oh gosh. I'm over here. Okay, I made on the big rock. Come here, Bob. Get over here. Who's next? Go now. Go. Ah! Brennan, go. Caleb, go. Woo! Caleb, let's go. Hurry.
Just put your feet down and walk.
Okay, boys, underwater GoPro camera, let's go. I thought that was awesome for a second.
Dude, that actually looks.
The camera's looking pretty good, honestly, boys. Auto exposure. X. No, it's not. No, X.
It's got water exposure, bud.
I can't that gum.
Wait, you say, GoPro, stop videoing.
It works.
No.
GoPro, stop videoing. GoPro, stop videoing.
I guess that's my phone. Come on, Caleb, let's go.
We got a 2-minute video going on right now, boys.
Put your feet down, bud.
I got my GoPro all wrapped up in my arm, dude, so I don't lose it. Get it.
Oh, that's so bad.
Mason, come on, dude. What the heck are you doing?
My bad.
Yeah, buddy?
It's been a while.
Got one on it.
Huh? I can't hear.
It's a little cold.
Yeah, I tried to get my pee-pee up. Come on, Caleb, jump up, like over there.
I wish I had like a snorkel mask or something, boys.
Yeah, we should get drunk. We should get, Come on, we should get Jig and Jordan out here.
Jigging and Jordan.
Jig and Jordan, yeah.
Oh gosh, I had my elbow. Oh. Look at this, bro. I got a shotgun shoulder, dude. Look at this.
Come on, Caleb, go.
That bruise. We was shooting skeet yesterday. Okay, we're gonna start extracting ice patch. I just brought this rock from over there. We're gonna fill in this hole hopefully today. It's gonna take us about probably 30 minutes. Hopefully got that amount of time. Let's do it. I gotta change out the battery too in the dang camera, but let's try it out. Okay, we moved a few more rocks over here. I'm gonna take you guys over there and Brendan's gonna video us doing this bullcrap.
Yeah,
Sheesh. We had 2 more employees come up here, but they don't want to dang work because they're losers.
Water actually feels good on your legs, but as soon as you get chest deep, it's cold.
As soon as you get past ankle, nether regions, dude, you get a little.
Oh gosh! You got to go.
Ow, that hurt, dude.
Oh, that's cold. But you need help?
I'm coming out really right.
Oh god, there's a hole.
Well, there is, dude.
I thought you were just faking it.
Grab it, mate, grab it. Oh god. I'm doing it. Oh gosh, there we go, I made it.
Is it already filming? Oh yeah, it is.
It's already video. What?
Because
Caleb don't want to use it
Yeah, Caleb don't want to use his name.
We'll use it after we get it bigger.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna take it.
I am about to retire.
Bud.
Oh yeah? I got one rock and I'm about to
Video
retire.
me struggling a little bit.
That's-
Is that don't video me take it? Huh? Turn on the side.
Oh my god, that one, dude.
Pull it over that way, Tim.
What is that?
What?
That little blue thing. Did you see it? Floating through there? Yeah.
Don't tell me it's out.
I got one rock. Ah, darn. Let's freeze my ball.
Go, baby, let's freaking go. Oh god. Oh god, I gotta get up here. Ah. The other side.
You're not saying
I guess I'm going over here with you for a bit. Here's so you guys in front of me. He just puts that right on top of me.
Oh god. See you guys later.
Oh crap, bud, don't video me.
There we go. Keep right.
To him.
Run over towards you, Brennan. Oh gosh, get him over there.
Oh, you didn't make it.
Well, that hits me. I swear. Boy, that's gonna hit me.
Corbin, that gum, you didn't make it, dude. I don't see him either.
Oh crap. Oh crap.
Yeah, they're
oh,
gone.
crap.
Oh, Mason ain't
God.
gonna make it.
Oh gosh.
I'm just kidding.
Oh my god. Hey, you Corbin, you're blocking me off. First rock bottom mouth.
I got you.
Did not work out there.
No, no.
Oh my gosh, bro, what is he doing?
What are you doing, bro? What are you guys doing? My god.
He's struggling, that's all.
Wait,
I
I'm
can
not
say.
doing it. I'm just trying to find it. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. Bang it right here, boys. When it's out rock. Oh, dude. The slime just gets you. Oh, crap. Dang it, I can't get this one. Oh, crap, buddy. I got it.
Oh, he's
I'm out
so
here, bud.
far. He's so far, dude.
You got 2 hands on it. It's not very big, though. Oh, gosh, I'm underneath the dang rock. What's this guy whining about?
Dude, he's got a big rock over there, dude.
What is wrong with this guy?
Okay, I got it. I'm going underwater.
Go for it.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, you got him.
Come over here. Don't worry, I'm not going to hit you.
Come on, make it.
Brandon, you're not going to have to wait. Throw it right there.
What was even the
There's a
point?
bunch of rocks right down there, too. I'm just getting over here, then we're going to kayak over here.
Alright.
If I can stand the flip up without falling over.
I think
There's so much water in there, it's like a drink in this.
yeah.
Go. Oh, crap, bud. Oh, crap.
Mason, you still not got up here yet?
Here we go, I got it. It's not that big, but we'll figure something out in a second. You can cut off the video now.
Alright.
Well, man, what happened?
Okay, let's here's our progress right here, okay, bud, Jordan? We did this, we're about to leave, we're getting out of here. We're going down there with all the dang goons. I know you can't even see them. But yeah, this is pretty dang game on. Right, Mason?
Yeah, game on.
This is so and this is Jack A. Front foot. That's kind of sunburnt, mate. Send it.
I over-rotated like crazy.
Dude, I over-rotated like it wasn't freaking nothing.
Yeah, no, I see it. He's a
Whenever
pretty.
you drop it too big.
Drop it to you,
I
alright.
got water.
Do you mean
my
to stop?
nostril.
Do you mean to stop this video?
No, just run it. Drop it.
Alright. Just straight up drop it.
Just drop it. Okay, I got you. I'm gonna watch out and then you go. It's not that cold, honestly. Oh god. Oh god, but the rocks are. We're gooned out, I think. How the crap did I over-rotate, dude? Tell me when you're going. $180. I got you, mate. Front 180.
Yeah, buddy. That's easier than a normal front flip for me. God, it's deep.
No, it is.
I feel it touching. There we go.
God, it's deep.
It ain't too bad, Cole.
No, it ain't that bad.
That one was a bit better.
It's super deep, dude.
Dude, I don't even touch till I'm like right at the bank. Well, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, drop it to me. Okay, I got it. Okay, mate. I'm going to move on down for you.
It's more of a flat run up.
I got you.
I gotta get it right. It's not bad.
Oh yeah, I got you.
So,
I'll move down then. Rather than there, gonna bend right here. Send it, mate. Send it. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't about stand.
is it cold for me?
No. Go. Oh my gosh. You're doing, Gabe. Go, 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 go. I think he's coming.
You gotta get him. Oh, yes!
Imagine it's like a triple backflip or something, bro.
Yes, Caleb. I think I'm ready to do front flip off.
Oh my gosh, of course you did. If you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing. If you made it all the way in, comment the word shovel. The word shovel, okay? I do that all the time. Comment the word shovel. Just do it, okay? The word shovel. Comment it right now. No one made it here anyway, so I'm not gonna get any comments. But if you did, comment it right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.